Alright everybody, check it out. I got me an air filter for the 2000 Honda Civic. So I'm going to be upgrading it to this nice performance STP filter. Look at that, 90%. This is really high grade stuff right here. This is top notch. This was one of the most expensive ones at the AutoZone. So it's got to be good, right? But nah, I'm just messing with you guys. Yeah, today I'm going to be putting in the air filter, so stick around. It's going to be a quick video, but I'm going to put the air filter in the 2000 Honda Civic. Alright, so this looks pretty simple. Looks like all you got to do is pop these back. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this was very simple. Third to third.